Alright, let's talk about Lilywish.com, the site you've probably seen splashed all over social media with promises of affordable, everyday elegance. But is it actually worth your money in 2026? Here's what I found out. So Lilywish advertises those cute cotton blend dresses and tops for like 20 to 50 bucks. Sounds great, right? But here's the catch. A lot of shoppers are saying their experience is nothing like the ads. First, let's talk orders. Imagine checking out, getting excited for your new outfit, and then, days later, getting an email saying it's out of stock. Instead of a refund, you're offered store credit or a random alternative. Not exactly a win. And if you're thinking, well, I'll just get my money back, hold up. Their so-called 30-day money-back guarantee is, in reality, a maze. Some customers report that returns mean shipping your stuff internationally, which often costs more than the item itself. Yikes. What about quality? Reviews on places like Trustpilot say some items arrive with a strong chemical smell, thin fabrics, or just don't look like the pictures. If you're sensitive to fabrics or picky about fit, that's a major letdown. And let's not forget customer service. Lilywish claims they have 24/7 support, but people describe it as robotic or totally unhelpful. So, good luck if you actually need help. If you still want to give it a shot, here are my top tips. Check where returns ship to. If it's overseas, think twice. Use PayPal or a credit card so you have buyer protection. And always look for real photos from other shoppers before you buy. Bottom line? Lilywish might have cute ads, but the reality doesn't always match up.